Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to convert mp4 to mp3 by using 4K video to mp3. I'll leave a link below that'll direct you to the site where you can download the software for free. Step 1. Open your browser and search for 4K video to mp3. Step 2, select the first option. Step 3, click on, Get 4K video to mp3. Step 4, once it's downloaded, open your files and install it. Step 4, once it's installed, click on Add Video and select the video that you wish to convert. Once it's converted, you can click on the folder icon to view it where it's saved or to play the audio. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.